Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and the practical series of cloud computing and web services. In this session, we will see how we can create a web service in Java and we create a client to consume a web service which is a Java web application. That means जो client होगा it is a Java web. So let us start with the creation of the web service. Now go to the file, new project. Then we have to create a Java web application. Next. Now this is my web service. So I am just giving a name, my web service demo, and then next, and then finish. So that this will create a Java web application. In this Java web application, now we create a web service. So as we can see here, we have this web service. We have a web application, my web application. Just right click on this, new, and then we have to create a web service. If this option is not visible here, then go to the other. Then in other, on the left hand side we have a web service, and then on the right hand side we have to select this web service. Next, now यहाँ पे हम लोग को नाम देना है वेब सर्विस का. So suppose I am giving a web service as addition 3 numbers WS web service. Then package name, since the web service runs on this server, so I am giving a package name as server, and then finish. So this will create a addition web service. So as we can see here, we have a addition 3 numbers web service, and this is a code, right? ये हमारा code है. By default, when we create a web service, by default one method is created, which is your hello. Hello method is already there in the web service. So just switch to the design. As we can see here, we have a source and design. So here we can add the operation which is executed within the web service. So as we can see here, we have a hello operation here. Okay, now we add an operation. This is my add operation. The return type, you can give any return type. I am giving as double. Then this will add a 3 numbers. So first I will take n1 double, add n2, again the data type is double, n3, and data type is double. So this is my service name, web service name. This is the return type of the web service, and these are the 3 parameters that we have to give as an input to the method. Just click on OK. So as we can see here, add नाम का क्या हो गया, operation add हो गया. We have a 2 operation in this web service, hello and add. Now switch to the source. Then we do not require this hello operation, so just delete it. Now in add, right, we have to return n1 plus n2 plus n3. So we return the addition. When we call this web service method, it will return the addition of these 3 numbers. Now we just right click on this. We have to first clean the web service. If there is any garbage value, any garbage collector values are there, so it will clean. Now right click, we deploy the web service. As we can see here, we have a deploy option here. Just deploy the web service, it will start. As we can see, we start the server. The name of the server is Glassfish, right? Web service runs on the server, तो जो server है उसका नाम है Glassfish. Just wait for the some time, because it will start, it will launch, or it will deploy the server. We deploy the web service. As you can see here, build successful. Now next step, just expand this web application. Go to the web service. We have an addition of 3 number web service. Just right click on this. Now we test the web service. So we have a test web service option. So it will launch a browser, okay, where we can enter the 3 numbers, right, and click on this add button. So now I am giving as 3, 5, 7. So these are my 3 numbers, right? Now we click on add. तो यहाँ पे right, it will call a web service method addition, right? And as we can see here, it is returning 15. So 3 plus 5 plus 7 is 15. So we test the web service successfully. Now we create a client which consume this web service. The next step is to create a client. Then go to the file, just create a new project, Java web application. So in this time, right, we select a client Java web. We consume the web service using Java web client. Okay, next, now this is my client, so I'm giving my client application. Then next, and then finish. So this will create a client application. As we can see here, we have a client, my client application. Now we right click on this, new. Now we select web service client, because we give the reference of the web service in this client. So we select web service client. If this option is not exist, then go to the other. Then again we have to select a web service. Then we have a web service client. As we can see here, we have a client. Next, now here we specify the WSDL file path of the सर्वर. जो वेब सर्विस है हमारी सर्वर पे, उसका पाथ हमको यहाँ पे देना है. तो जस्ट ब्राउज दिस एंड देन वी हैव एडिशन ऑफ दिस वन एंड देन राइट वी हैव दिस वेब सर्विस, देन ओके. तो हमारी वेब सर्विस का पूरा WSDL पाथ देखो यहाँ पे आ गया है. राइट नाउ दिस इज अ क्लाइंट. तो नाउ आई एम गिविंग अ क्लाइंट एंड देन click on finish. Then in client, right, we have to create a 2 files. पहला right click new JSP. This is my first input file, input.jsp. Then again go to the project, the same project, right click new JSP. This is my output.jsp file. So we have to create a 2 file, input and output. Right? Okay, these are the optional tags, just delete. ये head tag भी optional है, right? This is also option, just delete it. Okay, now control space bar, right? It will show IntelliSense. Now we select the form tag first. In form, right, we browse, हम लोग उसको browse करेंगे. Output, तो on the clicking of button, we take a button in input.jsp. On the clicking on the submission of the button, now it will call output.jsp. So on the action we call output.jsp. Then click on post method and then OK. Now for addition of 3 number, we first take the input, enter first number. Okay, now control space bar. For number we take a input text. Then just give a name T1. Right? Then BR for the next line. In the same way, enter second number. Again, we take control space bar, text input T2. Then BR for the next line. Then enter third number. Again, control space bar, text input T3. Then for the next line again BR, control space bar. Now we take a button which is my submit button. Yeah, addition of 3 numbers you can give. So this is my design file. On the clicking on the submission of the form, right, it will call a output.jsp. Okay, so just go to the output.jsp. This is my output.jsp file. Again, this is an optional, just delete करता हूँ मैं इसको, ये सब optional है. Okay, now in output.jsp, right, we have our client project. This is my client project. In this folder, we have a folder web service references. Just expand this folder. Then we have our web service reference here. Then click. Right, we have a addition or add wala web service. Just drag and drop here. So as you can see here, it will drag and drop किया तो पूरा code as it is वेब सर्विस का आ गया है. नाउ वी जस्ट चेंज दिस नंबर फर्स्ट, राइट. द नंबर जो नंबर है वो input.jsp से आने वाला है, T1, T2 एंड T3. सो नाउ वी चेंज दिस कोड. We write double dot parse double request dot. Now we get the parameter from the client. Parameter, the name of the parameter is T1. In the same way, we just copy this file. Double dot parse double हो गया ये. हाँ, now we call this code. Then for N2, just we change the name to T2. In the same way T3. So जो भी HTML में input होगा T1, T2, T3, we get the parameter and store in N1, N2 and N3. And now we are calling the web service method add. As we can see here, यहाँ पे मैंने add नाम दिया था, तो यहाँ पे वो method automatically call हुआ है and we are passing the 3 parameter and we can change this to addition of 3 numbers. This is a message. Now go to the input, right click, run. So now it will execute the input.jsp file, which is my graphical user interface. As we can see here, it is asking for the 3 numbers. Again I am giving a 3, 5 and the 7. And on the clicking of this, output.jsp call होगा, दिख रहा है. And 15, we addition of 3 numbers is 15. मतलब what does it mean? It is calling a web service method. यहाँ पे web service method को call किया है, as we can see here. So in this way we can create and consume the web services using Java. I hope you understood this session. Thank you so much.